Hey guys, what is going on? In this video we're going to be checking out the iPhone 11 Pro. So the iPhone 11 Pro retails for $999 US and can be activated on most US carriers. So let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at the regular iPhone 11 Pro. And I do have my iPhone 11 Pro Max sitting right here for we can take a little comparison between the sizes as well. So I do have it in the midnight green color just like my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. Taking a look around the box really quickly, we do have the 64GB iPhone 11 Pro, and it does include the earpods, the USB-C to Lightning cable, and the USB-C power adapter, which is 18 watts. We get some technical information about the phone at the bottom right here. And on the side we got iPhone. On the top we have the Apple logo. Other side we have iPhone. And at the bottom we have the Apple logo, and as well as the picture of the phone on the front of the box. So let's go ahead and pull off the seal of it and take a look at what's inside. So pulling off the seal, it does pull off just like the regular iPhone 11 Pro Max did. And we can go ahead and lift the lid. So lifting the lid does reveal the iPhone 11 Pro, which is going to be in that 64GB green color. And it was sitting in my cold car, that's why I can touch it and it gets a little frosty. But taking a look at the beautiful design on it. So I am used to the color just because I already have the color in general. But yeah, I really love this color. I'm really glad they came out with it this year. But also taking a look in the box. So in here we do get the paperwork, which is the Hello Quick Start Guide, the SIM card ejector, the iPhone warranty information, and the Apple stickers. So right below that we do have the 18 watt power adapter, which does charge the iPhone pretty quickly as I do use it with my Pro Max. As well as the Lightning 2 headphones. And we also get the USB-C to Lightning cable. And that's all that's going to be in the box. So this iPhone does feature the A13 chip as well, just like the iPhone 11 Pro Max does. So everything's going to be the same internally, except it's going to have a 5.8-inch OLED screen on it, rather than the 6.5-inch as the Pro Max would have. Also, the actual dimensions of the phone are going to be smaller, as you can take a look at the side-by-side comparison right here. So it is a little bit smaller, but not too much. So we do have the volume rocker and the mute switch. So on the bottom we do have the antenna band, lightning connector, microphone, and speaker. On the right hand side we have that nano SIM tray, power button, and this iPhone does feature an eSIM inside of it as well, so you can connect it with your cellular connection that would require an eSIM. So yeah, let's go ahead and power it up and see how much different this screen would be. So I used to have an iPhone 10, so I should be familiar with the size. But right off the bat, it actually feels pretty normal to me. So I could actually get used to it. Opening it right up, it does say hello. And swipe up from the bottom just like any normal iPhone nowadays. And then I am English. I'm going to scroll down to United States. I'm going to set it up manually because I don't want to put my Apple ID on it just yet. And then I do have to connect it to a network in order to actually use it. So I actually don't have Wi-Fi at my house, so let me connect it to my hotspot really quickly on my phone. So I did have to pop my SIM card in it, just for the time being. So it is activating now over my cellular network. So yeah, here is my iPhone 11 Pro. And it does ship with iOS 13.2, which is kind of nice. But yeah, I'm going to be taking it for a little spin within a week or so just to see how I like it. I'm actually going to put my SIM card back in my iPhone 11 Pro Max, just for the time being. But yeah, so it does have that textured back on the back. of it, which is kind of nice. I've gotten used to it on my Pro. So I did forget that I got an accessory of the iPhone 11 Pro. So I did get the iPhone 11 Pro clear case made by Apple. So on the back it is just going to tell you what's included, which of course is just the case, and then there's the UPC on the bottom, and it does tell you to recycle the packaging. So yeah, I never owned one of these yet for the iPhones, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it and tell you my honest review about it at the end of this video, just because why not? So I am going to go ahead and open it and put it on the phone and tell you how I feel about it, because not all clear cases I like. So let me go ahead and open it. So just peeling it back opens the case itself, and you can peel it out. And it is a pretty hard shell case, but the only downside is the bottom's going to be left open, so your iPhone is going to be exposed. So just to put it on the iPhone, you just simply put it from the top and go down to the bottom, and then it's on the phone. So yeah, it is a pretty nice clear case. So it's not too slippery. It's not really sliding out of my hands unless I let go of it, of course. But all the buttons are accessible. They are covered as well, so that's a plus side. And they are still pretty clicky. And of course you do get access to your mute switch up there. But the only downside, like I said, is the whole top bottom of the iPhone is going to be exposed, so it could get scratched or chipped or anything of the sort. But I did put a screen protector on the phone as well. But yeah, everything else is going to be exposed, and yeah. So this has been the clear case for the iPhone 11 Pro, and it is made by Apple. I do believe they retail for $39. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of my iPhone 11 Pro unboxing. I do know it's a little bit different than the Pro Max one, just because the Pro Max one I did have to open it and activate it, but this one I did just have to open it on my own. So that's kind of nice. I do like opening my own Apple products. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to see more iPhone videos or any more technology videos in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the like button for me, just to know that I'm doing okay. I do personally edit all my videos on my MacBook Pro, and I do upload them with a personal hotspot on my iPad to YouTube. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.